What's good, career warriors? It's your boy Anthony Harris back again with another video. So if your resume is not optimized for the ATS system, I'm sorry to tell you that it's been auto rejected and recruiters are never even going to lay eyes on it. So we need to fix your resume and make sure it's ATS optimized so you can at least get a chance to get it in the door to even land an interview. So if it's your first time ever seeing my mug, I'm Anthony Harris. I am a decade-long career professional where I've helped over hundreds of other career professionals land their dream job for them. So let's talk a little bit about the ATS system. The ATS system is short for the Applicant Tracking System. And this system has now been adopted by over 90% of the professional companies out there. And it's a system that basically reviews and catalogs resume. It also is able to highlight keywords that the hiring managers are looking for within resumes. So what's the big issue right now with a lot of people's resumes? And some resumes are a little bit too fancy now for that system. So a lot of people have pictures, graphics, designs in there, and the ATS system does not recognize it. It can honestly auto reject your resume if it has too many of those items inside of your resume. So you need to, one, remove all of those fancy graphics. You got to get back to the plain Jane resumes with just strictly verbiage, but it needs to be concise and impactful. Two, make sure that you have clear font in there. So it could be Calibri, it could be Times New Roman, it could be an Arial font, just something 12-point font that is simple, clear, and is easy to read on the eyes. And three, make sure that it's optimized to have all the keywords that are necessary for that particular job. If you need help or assistance with any of these in optimizing your resume for the next week, my website, legacycareersllc.com, is having a 50% off sale on all of our resume services. So even if you just need some easy to use resume templates, those are currently 50% off, and those are currently $40. Those are industry specific resume templates to help you land particular jobs in particular industry fields. We also have done for you resume and cover letter services for as low as $100 currently, which we all know that is very cheap for resume services that are tailored to you. You pull us also, you get one free edit in that resume service as well. So please take advantage of this for the next week of this service. I'm here to help you land your dream job in 2025. And I want to make sure that you not only land your dream job, you do it fast and concisely. If you need anything else, Career Warriors, please let me know. Peace. Welcome to Legacy Careers LLC, where your ambition meets expertise. Our mission is very simple: to empower professionals just like you to transform career dreams into lasting legacies. With personalized career coaching, resume and LinkedIn optimization, interview preparation, and job search strategies, advance your career today with proven strategies and expertise. Visit us for more at Legacy Careers